Imagine this. You wake up feeling sluggish, your brain foggy, your hair thinner than usual. You chalk it up to a busy week, a poor night's sleep, or perhaps just getting older. But what if it's something more? What if these subtle signs point to a silent epidemic affecting millions, a tiny butterfly-shaped gland in your neck struggling to function correctly? This, my friends, is the reality of thyroid disorders. They often lurk undetected, their symptoms easily mistaken for other conditions. The thyroid, often overlooked, plays a monumental role in our overall health. It's the conductor of our metabolism, influencing everything from energy levels and weight to heart rate and mood. When this delicate balance is disrupted, the consequences can be far-reaching. The good news? Knowledge is power. By understanding the common pitfalls in thyroid health, we can take proactive steps to protect this vital gland and reclaim our well-being. In this comprehensive guide, we'll delve into the world of thyroid health, debunking myths, uncovering hidden truths, and empowering you with the tools to thrive. So what exactly does the thyroid do? This small gland, located at the base of your neck, produces hormones that regulate your body's metabolic rate. These hormones affect how your body uses energy, how it produces heat, and how it consumes oxygen. When the thyroid is underactive, a condition known as hypothyroidism, you might experience fatigue, weight gain, and depression. On the other hand, an overactive thyroid or hyperthyroidism can lead to weight loss, anxiety, and an irregular heartbeat. It's crucial to recognize these symptoms early and seek medical advice. Regular checkups and blood tests can help monitor thyroid function and catch any issues before they escalate. Treatment options vary, from medication to lifestyle changes and even surgery in severe cases. But it's not just about treatment. Prevention and maintenance are key. Eating a balanced diet rich in iodine, selenium, and zinc can support thyroid health. Regular exercise, stress management, and avoiding environmental toxins also play a significant role. In this journey towards better thyroid health, you're not alone. There are countless resources, communities, and healthcare professionals ready to support you. By staying informed and proactive, you can ensure your thyroid remains in top shape, contributing to your overall well-being. Get ready to unlock the secrets to a healthier, more vibrant you. Let's face it, navigating the complexities of thyroid health can feel like traversing a labyrinth. Misinformation abounds, and even healthcare professionals can sometimes miss the mark. One of the most prevalent errors is attributing thyroid symptoms to other conditions, leading to delayed diagnosis and improper treatment. Another common pitfall is relying solely on TSH, or thyroid-stimulating hormone, levels for diagnosis. While TSH is an important indicator, it doesn't tell the whole story. Ignoring other crucial markers like free T3, free T4, and thyroid antibodies can result in an incomplete picture of your thyroid's function. Furthermore, many individuals remain unaware of the impact lifestyle choices have on their thyroid health. From dietary deficiencies to chronic stress, these factors can significantly influence thyroid hormone production and utilization. And let's not forget the role of environmental toxins. These silent disruptors can wreak havoc on our endocrine system, including the thyroid gland. By understanding these common errors, we can begin to make informed decisions that support optimal thyroid function. Imagine your body as a grand orchestra, with each organ playing a vital role in creating a harmonious symphony of health. Each instrument, from the strings to the percussion, contributes to the overall melody, ensuring that the music flows smoothly and beautifully. In this intricate composition, the thyroid gland takes center stage as the conductor, orchestrating the tempo of your metabolism. Just as a conductor ensures that each section of the orchestra plays in harmony, the thyroid gland ensures that your body's metabolic processes are well coordinated and efficient. This small but mighty gland, nestled at the base of your neck, produces hormones, primarily thyroxine or T4 and triiodothyronine or T3, that act as messengers regulating energy production in every cell. These hormones are like the musical notes that guide the orchestra, ensuring that each cell knows its role and performs it perfectly. Like a conductor setting the pace, thyroid hormones influence how quickly or slowly your body utilizes energy, impacting everything from your weight and temperature to your heart rate and mood. When the thyroid is in sync, you feel energetic, your heart beats at a steady rhythm, and your body maintains a healthy weight. But the thyroid's influence doesn't end there. It extends to various aspects of your health, affecting your overall well-being in ways you might not even realize. It plays a crucial role in brain development, particularly during pregnancy and infancy, ensuring the healthy formation of a child's cognitive abilities. A well-functioning thyroid is essential for the developing brain, helping to lay the foundation for learning, memory, and emotional regulation. It also works in concert with other hormones, impacting reproductive health, bone density, and even your body's response to stress. The thyroid's interaction with other hormones ensures that your reproductive system functions smoothly, your bones remain strong, and you can handle stress effectively. When the thyroid is functioning optimally, the symphony flows seamlessly, and we experience vibrant health. You feel a sense of well-being, your energy levels are high, and you can enjoy life to the fullest. However, when its delicate balance is disrupted, the consequences can be far-reaching, affecting every aspect of our well-being. An underactive or overactive thyroid can lead to a range of health issues, from fatigue and weight gain to anxiety and depression. It's crucial to pay attention to the signs and seek medical advice if you suspect your thyroid might be out of balance. Maintaining thyroid health involves a combination of proper nutrition, regular exercise, and stress management. Eating a balanced diet rich in iodine, selenium, and zinc can support thyroid function. Regular physical activity helps regulate hormone levels, and stress-reducing practices like meditation can keep your thyroid in check. Regular checkups with your healthcare provider are also essential. Blood tests can help monitor thyroid hormone levels and ensure that any imbalances are addressed promptly. Early detection and treatment of thyroid issues can prevent more serious health problems down the line. By understanding the crucial role of the thyroid gland and taking proactive steps to maintain its health, you can ensure that your body's symphony remains harmonious. Embrace a lifestyle that supports your thyroid, and you'll be rewarded with better health, more energy, and a greater sense of well-being. The good news is that you have more control over your thyroid health than you might think. This small, butterfly-shaped gland in your neck plays a crucial role in regulating your metabolism, energy levels, and overall well-being. Understanding how to support its function can lead to significant improvements in your health. By understanding the factors that influence its function, you can make empowered choices to support this vital gland. The thyroid is influenced by a variety of factors, including diet, stress levels, and overall lifestyle. By addressing these areas, you can create a supportive environment for your thyroid to thrive. One of the most impactful steps you can take is to nourish your body with thyroid-supporting nutrients. A balanced diet rich in specific vitamins and minerals can make a world of difference. These nutrients act as the building blocks for thyroid hormones and help in their proper functioning. Selenium, zinc, iodine, and tyrosine are essential building blocks for thyroid hormone production. Selenium helps protect the thyroid gland from oxidative damage, while zinc is crucial for the synthesis of thyroid hormones. Iodine is a key component of thyroid hormones, and tyrosine, an amino acid, is necessary for their production. Incorporate foods rich in these nutrients, such as Brazil nuts, pumpkin seeds, seaweed, and poultry, into your diet. Brazil nuts are an excellent source of selenium, while pumpkin seeds provide a good amount of zinc. Seaweed is rich in iodine, and poultry offers a good source of tyrosine. Including these foods in your daily meals can help maintain a healthy thyroid. Stress management is another crucial aspect of thyroid health. Chronic stress can lead to an imbalance in your hormones, which can negatively impact your thyroid function. Finding effective ways to manage stress is essential for maintaining thyroid health. Chronic stress can disrupt hormone balance, leading to thyroid dysfunction. When you're stressed, your body produces cortisol, a hormone that can interfere with the production and conversion of thyroid hormones. Over time, this can lead to issues such as hypothyroidism or hyperthyroidism. Explore stress-reducing techniques that resonate with you, such as meditation, yoga, deep breathing exercises, or spending time in nature. These activities can help lower cortisol levels and promote a sense of calm and well-being. Regular practice of stress-reducing techniques can have a profound impact on your thyroid health. Additionally, addressing any underlying nutrient deficiencies, such as iron deficiency or vitamin D deficiency, is paramount. Iron is necessary for the production of thyroid hormones, and a deficiency can lead to hypothyroidism. Vitamin D plays a role in immune function and inflammation, both of which can affect thyroid health. These deficiencies can impair thyroid hormone conversion and utilization. Ensuring you have adequate levels of these nutrients can help your thyroid function optimally. Regular blood tests can help identify any deficiencies and allow for timely intervention. Work with a knowledgeable healthcare professional to identify and address any imbalances. They can provide personalized recommendations based on your specific needs and help you develop a comprehensive plan to support your thyroid health. Remember, taking charge of your thyroid health is an ongoing journey, not a destination. It's about making consistent, informed choices that support your overall well-being. Keeping a health journal can help you track your progress and stay motivated. By making gradual, sustainable changes to your diet, lifestyle, and stress management techniques, you can support your thyroid's optimal function and experience the transformative power of vibrant health. Embrace the journey and celebrate each step towards a healthier you.